Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a Minecraft Bukkit server version 1.2.5 for Mac. First off, all the hyperlinks will be in the description under this video, throughout the video, so you don't have to manually type in everything into your web browser. So first off, go to the first hyperlink you see, which is dl.bukkit.org. I already have it opened. First off, you can see the whole download thing. Obviously download that. In the meantime, while it's downloading, open up a new folder in your desktop. Let's make it a Bukkit server. Alright. Once this is finished downloading, go into shown folder. Drag that into the folder we just made. Exit out of that, open this up. From here, you're going to press open, and it's going to get all this crazy stuff over here. Alright, once we finish that, wait 1 second. Alright, sorry, something just popped up. After that, once we've downloaded this and opened it up in our Bukkit server folder we made, open up TextEdit. From here, on the description you'll see this little hash mark stuff and bin and all that stuff. Go ahead and copy and paste that into this TextEdit we opened up, and you can do format and make plain text. Okay. If you're having trouble finding your TextEdit and all that, just go to your Finder and type in TextEdit and just open it up from there. And everyone has TextEdit for Mac, so don't say you don't. If you don't, then you can open up like Microsoft things, Word, and all that. That'll work. Once we've done plain format, go to File, press Save As. Make sure you save this under as start.command. Alright. Press save. Once we've done this, exit out of that, go to the start command we just saved to our desktop, drag that into the Bukkit server folder. What I like to do, I always like to highlight this because this is going to be our startup command. Now we just need to do the port forwarding step. I'm sure you guys are really familiar with Hamachi. I'm not a real big fan on that because you're only limited to how many people you can bring into your server, and I like to have a lot of people in my server. So what I do is I do port forwarding. You can look up Hamachi, and it's really simple. It's just an easy 2 or 3 steps. But port forwarding is more fun and easier, in my opinion. I use a Linksys router. So my thing is going to be 1.2.168.1.1. If you don't have Linksys router, I'd recommend just looking up your router and then looking up what DNS IP thing, whatever it is called, and look that up, because everything's basically all the same. From here, you're just going to do your username, password for your router. Hopefully I know mine still. Awesome. Alright. Once you're here, you see all your crazy nonsense stuff here. You can go to Applications and Gaming. Okay? As you can see, I already have my Minecraft stuff here checked. So what you want to do is go to your Spotlight search, and on PC, when you guys open up CMD, your command prompt, you type in ipconfig. But on Mac, we do ifconfig. Oh wait, I completely forgot. Do terminal. Wow. And then do ifconfig. Alright. From here, you can go to N1, that crazy looking gibberish stuff here, and you can look at your IP for your router. As you can see, on my Linksys router, it's 1.92.168.1. Whatever. Make sure you look at the last 3 digits, which is mine is 106. I'm going to exit that out because I already know what I have. And I'm going to type it into this little box right here where it says 1.06. On your protocol, whether you guys have an option TCP, UDP, anything, just put both. On here, where it says the external port and the internal port, how you can find that to make sure that it's 25565, you go to your server properties on your Bukkit server. You can open that up with TextEdit. So just look over here where it says server port, and mine, it says 25565. I'm going to exit out of that. And so I'm just going to type that in here, and make sure I'm going to name this as my Minecraft and make sure we have it enabled. So we're just going to save settings, and that should already be port forwarded. After that, we're going to exit out of that. Then, just one sec. Alright, back. Sorry, I had to check something real quick. On your server properties, what we just typed into the port forwarding thing, we're going to put that on our server IP, which mine was 192.168.1.106, which is mine. It would vary for you, whatever you put into the last three, or your router ID number, whatever. We're going to save that. Okay. Exit out of that. Now we're going to open up terminal again. Terminal. Alright. From here we're going to type in chmod. Whoops. It didn't even load all the way. Let me exit this out again. Alright. Give it a sec. Alright. chmod space a plus x space. Remember, we have a space after this x. We're going to drag the start command onto the terminal and press enter once, and then after that we just exit out. Now what we're going to do is open up the start command, and what it's going to happen is it's going to start generating your new server and all that stuff. Oh wait, one second, I completely forgot. Make sure we put this as our craftbukkit.jar. There we go. Now we open it up, my bad. Just give it a second, because that has to generate all this crazy stuff. In the meantime, just go ahead and open up Minecraft. And so what you'll do here, you will add the server IP that you put into this server. But before we go there, typically you would actually have to type in your real IP, and that's something that nobody really wants to do. So what I do is I just go to no IP. It's a DNS service provider. So when you type in your ad server onto Minecraft, it doesn't show up with like someone's IP. Instead, it'll show up something like this as an example. So what we want to do is go to your downloads, go to download on the no IP, and you're going to go for Mac. You're going to download this. I already have it downloaded, and you're just going to click Mac, download, and all that stuff. You're going to open it up, and you can drag that onto your applications thing, like how it makes you have to do. After that, what you want to do, you want to create an account, and you just do the free kind. You type in everything, do all this stuff, and then you'll get to a login where you log in. I already have my whole login stuff, so let me log in real quick. Once you've downloaded it, logged in, all that stuff, you're going to go to add a host. From here, you can go ahead and name whatever host name you want. So like me, I put Aragon server, and you have a whole bunch of domains or whatever you can name it under. The most popular one is sites.net, typically. Don't mess with anything here. You're going to go to your IP, so let's go to ipchicken.com. You're going to see your IP here. On this, you're going to copy this, write that down. I'm not going to show you my IP, and if somehow it does get shown, I'm on a VPN. So from here, you just copy that down to where it says your IP address, and just create host. From there, you don't have to do anything else. You just can go ahead and exit out of that. Once we've got that up, you'll open up no IP, and it's just going to go ahead and load, and you're ready. So I already have that opened up for my own server, my private server, and from there, what we want to do now is, of course, you want to get your plugins. Let's go ahead and stop this terminal thing. And now, what you want to do as on the hyperlink, you're going to go to the Essentials Core plugins. So go ahead and download this, show in folder, bring it out to your desktop, minimize the web browsers. Alright, now we have our Bukkit server, our essentials, and whatnot. So let's go ahead and unzip this. We have this right here now. Now, from here, copy all this, the 4 items that you see on the zip file that we just unzipped. Exit out of that, and we're going to go to plugins. Plugins, we just paste the items that we have here. So now we have our core plugins for your spawn, home, and all that crap. And now, what everybody likes is World Edit and World Guard. So let's go ahead and open that up. We're going to go to World Edit because we got to download that first. A really trusted provider or user, whatever, is SK89Q. Go scroll down until you see World Edit. Download this. Go download. And download one more time. Show in folder. Bring it up to your desktop again. Unzip this. And really all we want is just worldedit.jar. So let's copy World Edit, go to our plugins, and paste that. Alright. From here, you can go ahead and exit out of this. And now, one second. Make sure we want craft scripts as well. Sorry about that. Exit out of this. Now we can trash this whole folder. Now we go back to our start command, start it back up one more time so we can have this world edit thing pop up. Alright, now go and stop. What that did was just open up this plugin thing for the plugin metrics, and you're going to go to this config.y.ml. Of course, you're not going to be able to see anything, blah blah blah. It'll make more sense once we download World Guard. Now, let's go to the hyperlink for World Guard under the description. Go to the same guy, blah blah blah, download World Guard, download. Sorry, my phone. Show in folder, bring World Guard out. Hold on. Okay. Drag that into here. Now, we're going to run the start command again one more time. So now we have World Edit, World Guard, and all the essential plugins for our Bukkit server. Alright, go ahead and stop that. Awesome. Now we go to plugins. There's World Guard. There's this config that we need. Earlier, we never did have to start the terminal for World Edit, my bad. I'm just winging this whole video, so everything is so far so true. If you have any problems, just go ahead and let me know in comments. Here we can say what we want to spawn things and have physical stuff, and if TNT wants to go blow up, or you want fire going on to other wood and spreading and all that crazy stuff. You know, you use your whitelist, blacklist, and you can mess with all this. You can look up guides or something. That's really easy. I don't really change anything on here unless you really want to get hardcore with this. This is just a video telling you how to get it, not how to use it, really. Exit out of this, and basically you should be set. That should be all it. So once you start up your Minecraft server, open up Minecraft, and you're going to click Add Server, and then add what domain host you opened up with the no IP. So from there, you just type that in, you press Done, and you'll have it up right here. I already have a server up right now, so that's why I have this up here. So, and overall, that should be it. If you have any questions or comments or anything about getting to something, please feel free to let me know. Sorry about the really bad mess ups that I had here and there. Just a really quick video I tried making for a friend, and hopefully this will help everybody out. So, thanks for watching. Hope you liked it, and leave any feedback or anything you would like. Alright, see you.